Hello friends, welcome to Bengology, and today we're gonna learn about numbers means সংখ্যা. So I think you have remembered that number means সংখ্যা, and today I'm gonna discuss one thing, that when we add s means when we do numbers plural. Okay, so number means a number, one number, and numbers means many numbers. So numbers in Bengali is সংখ্যা গুলি. So number means সংখ্যা, and here numbers, we have written numbers. So if you want to write the proper way, write the proper translation, so you will write সংখ্যা গুলি. Okay, so I have written সংখ্যা because we are discussing about number. That's why I have written সংখ্যা. But for s you can obviously add guli. So you have to add go hoshugu and guli. I'm showing you go hoshugu and then lo hoshili guli. So সংখ্যা and then guli means সংখ্যা and then gu and guli. Okay, this will be the correct. So without wasting your time, let's start from 81 to 90 numbers. So our first number is 81. So how can we say 81? To say 81, we say, so 80 means âtâshi, 81 means ekâshi. What we say? Like 70 means সত্তর and 71 means একাত্তর. Like that, we use 80 means âtâshi and 81 means ekâshi. Ekâshi. So ekâshi. So how can we write ekâshi? First we have to write 8 and then 1. So 8 and then 1. This is ekâshi. Ekâshi, ekâshi. Okay, ekâshi. Ekâshi means 81. After that we have 82. 82 means birâshi. Birâshi. So this is 8 and this is 2. 8 and 2. So this is birâshi, and this is the Bengali number system of 8 and 2. Okay. So birâshi means 82. After 82 means birâshi. Birâshi. We are moving forward to 83. 83 means tirâshi. 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 So here this is 8 and this is 3. So tirâshi means 83. Tirâshi. Tirâshi means 83. And 84. 84 means churâshi. Churâshi. So this is 8 and this is 4. This is 4 in Bengali writing system, number writing system, and this is 8 in Bengali number writing system. So chhiyâshi means 84, and this is churâshi, and this is the number writing system, which we have covered in the first session of number series. Okay, so churâshi. Churâshi means 84. After churâshi we have 85. 85 means pônchâshi. Pônchâshi. Pônchâ. First we have to write po, then cho, cha, then talbosha, then hoshi. Talbosha and then this hoshi. So this is pônchâshi. Pônchâshi means 85. So this is 8 and this is 5. This is 85. After pônchâshi we have 86. 86 means chhiyâshi. So 86 means chhiyâshi. Chhiyâshi. Or many people write it as chhiyâshi. So I am writing chhiyâshi because I use chhiyâshi. That's why I am writing chhiyâshi. Chhiyâshi. So this is 8 and this is 6. But you can also write chhiyâshi. But the most popular way is chhiyâshi. Okay, you can also write chhiyâshi. So chhiyâshi or chhiyâshi. Chhiyâshi means 86. Chhiyâshi. Okay. After chhiyâshi means 86. We have 87. Means sâtâshi. So 8 and 7. This is 87. Means sâtâshi. Sâtâshi. After 87, sâtâshi, we have 88. 88 means ûnônb'ôi. This is not âtâshi. Okay, this is ûnônb'ôi. This is not âtâshi because we have seen that in the previous video that this is art something, but here this is ûnônb'ôi. So how can we write ûnônb'ôi? First we have to write o. Then we have to write mূর্ধন্যস্ব, means this is mূর্ধন্যস্ব. Okay. So how it can pronounce o mূর্ধন্যস্ব, osh, osh. Then we have to write to, like double consonant. So you know that how double consonant form. Double consonant means two consonants are combined together, like to and to. This is double consonant, but this is double consonant. But if you write like this, to and then to, this is not the double consonant. This is first consonant and then another consonant. This is not the double consonant. These are not the combined. Okay, these consonants are not combined. That's why these are not called double consonant. Which two consonants are combined together are called double consonant. Okay. So first you have to do double consonant. So osh and then you have to do to. So osh to. Okay. So osh and then to. Okay. This is to. We are doing to below the mূর্ধন্যস্ব. So osh and then to. Osh to. And then we have to write âshi. Âshi. So this is first 8 and this is second 8. So ûnônb'ôi means 88. Okay. So after 88 we have 89. So 89 means ঊননব'ôi. So what will be 90? 90 means নব্বই. So first we have to write দন্তন্য. Then we have to write double consonant means double bo. This is our first bo and this is our second bo. Okay. So no and double bo. নব্বো and then হস্যই. So this is not e. So here you have to notice the difference. If we do this cut means like this. This is not nob'ôi. This is nob'bi. Okay, no boy, nob'ô, and then this e will be nob'ô. E means nob'bi. Nob'bi. This sounds like nob'bi, but we have to write nob'ôi. So for e we have to write this e. Okay. No double bo and then this হস্যই cut. This হস্যই, not হস্যই cut. This হস্যই. When we use e car means হস্যই car or hashoi vowel sign, it becomes nob'ôi. And when we use this hashoi, so it sounds like nob'ô and then e, nob'ôi. Okay. And 89 will be ûnônব'ôi. ûnôনব'ôi. So nob'ôi means 99 and 0, and ûnôনব'ôi means 89, 8 and 9. Okay, so ûননব'ôi means 89, 90 means নব্বই, and this is নব্বই, ঊননব'ôi, 98, so ঊননব'ôi, অষ্টআশি. Okay, so we are so note it down to your notebook, and we are repeating all of these numbers from 81 to 90. So 81 means ekâshi, 82 means birâshi, 83 means tirâshi, 84 means churâshi, 85 means pônchâshi, 86 means chhiyâshi or chhiyâshi. How you, it depends on you how much you are comfortable to say chhiyâshi or chhiyâshi. And 87 means sâtâshi, 88 means অষ্টআশি, 89 means ঊননব'ôi, and 90 means নব্বই. Okay. So if you have a problem to understand about why this hoshi becomes nob'ôi, not nob'ôi, so you can comment me in the comment section, and I will make a video on it, that how vowels and vowel signs are pronounced. If we use vowels, so how it sounds, and when we use vowel signs, and then how it sounds. So if you want this video to know the difference of this nob'ôi and nob'ôi, I think this question made you confused, that why this is nob'ôi not nob'ôi for hoshikar, means hoshi vowel sign. So you can comment me in the comment section, and I will make a separate video where I will discuss about why it sounds like this and this hoshi sounds like e. Okay, so see you in the next video, where we will know about 91 to 100 numbers.